We are all familiar with pyramids and the building up of new layers, but what happens when the pyramids get too big and everything comes crashing down? From a global population at 7 billion to the number of transistors on a chip at over 4 billion, to Star Trek triples and paper folding, endless doubling always reaches a limit.
The same goes for pyramid scams such as Bernie Madoff's $50 billion swindle, which used new investors to pay off old investors, even government debt and pension plans.
Here, the simplest of mathematical relations, 2 to the power of x, explains why. Imagine a grain of rice on a chessboard doubling for each square. After 1 week, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. After 1 month, 134,217,728.
Eventually unsustainable because of 2 to the x.
Financial bubbles also rely on ever-increasing growth expectations. In Holland in 1637, tulips were bid up by speculative buyers to over $10,000 a bulb. In Britain, in 1720, the South Sea Company wanted to expand trade to South America, but crashed when relations soured with Spain. In the United States, prior to the great crash of October 1929, holding companies were buying holding companies, which in turn were buying other holding companies, and so on and so on. Much the same happened in 2009 because of the hard selling of subprime mortgages to those who could least afford them, and the deregulation of the financial industry by successive governments.